Ay, saan yung palit, te?
Hindi ko alam yun. Wala ba dyan?
Wala dyan.
Bilis na paano makikita?
Saan na yun? Wala dito.
Mamaya mo na hanapin. Hindi na gawa. Cellphone ko nasan? Naka na. Unboxing. Talaga, pag pumutok balik to, bakla ko kayo. Hindi ko kami trip here.
Ate ba to yan?
Here.
Ate ba
Parang
to?
ang laki naman niya, ate ko. Malaki ba siya? Or box lang malaki?
Box lang yan.
Tapos pusa lang.
Pusa. Grabe.
Laro-laro.
Bato yung laman yan. Charis lang. Malay mo, what if sira laman yan?
Bakala balik agad to. Ito na ate girl, lalabas na siya.
Magkano yan?
1.5.
As in 1K?
Na may 500 pa.
Gulat ako na.
Bakla ka, sinabi na 1.5 eh. 1K pa sinabi mo.
Malina. Ala, tapo ng hulog ng lahat.
Gusto mo naman kasi baka lang di mo sinasarado, di ba? Pag na ano ko, pag ginagawa mo.
Chok lang.
Pag sinaksak ka ng ano, munting tiglang mo, manalahin mo. Yung gabi yung unboxing.
Ang tagal ng unboxing na yan, nakala mo naman.
Kala ko, okay. Okay. Bakla, ang hirap naman buksan.
Magulat ka pag bagaan yan. Just pretend you never felt He's not thank you.
My sister Van claiming her fiance was guilty.
Ano sa inyo na ito, te?
Hello everyone, I'm Michelle, 20F, and I would greatly appreciate your feedback.
Yung na to, yung parang
25F is my older sister, and she is expected to marry Jonathan, 25F. Between them,
nakasali pa sa unboxing.
we all believe they were meant to be together, and they had been together for years. However, things have just taken a very odd and surprising turn, and now their wedding is in doubt. My sister will not be there for the wedding, therefore Jonathan has declined to marry her. Furthermore, Emily thinks Jonathan has feelings for me. I understand how crazy that sounds, but allow me to clarify. For background, I don't have a close relationship with either my parents or my sisters. I kind of drifted away from them once I started college, but it's not like anything major happened to trigger a fallout. Since I moved out for school, I haven't really spent much time at home. I would usually travel or go to my grandparents' house during spring holidays rather than returning home. Simply said, it seemed like a better alternative than having to cope with the unpleasantness of being home. The problem is that I'm not at home like my sister or parents.
Wala pa tayo ano.
I'm not truly a part of the team, which is their problem. They never seem to understand. And to be honest, they would all bond over something I didn't care about while I was growing up. And it seems like I was speaking a foreign language anytime I brought up something I was interested in. They would simply listen, nod, and rejoin the
Okay.
conversation with growing interest. So I gave up trying anything.
Ano naman?
But here's
ni Cairo. Bug. Gandara.
Bakla pag ito sumabog kaya magkasalanan pag may kasunod dito.
Sabi ka, ano? Di ba talaga yan?
Gagatakip yan
Ay, gobs, nagbulang. Gulat ako. Open ka? Ha? Sumabog yun, no?
Lagay mo din sa white.
Ay, nice. Nagsabog yun.
Bakit naman to?
Paano siya gamitin? Hindi ako niya kung.
Hindi gumaganon lang siya.
Hindi mo ba search ko paano siya gamitin? Ako na, ang ano no?
Tignan mo nga kung maayos yung pagkakasaksak gaga.
Kaayos nga, ba't tumutunog?
Hindi eh.
Di mo ba ano talaga?
Wala namang mano.
Di mo na sinerch.
Ay, ano kayo?
Tagas ng ulo, naka-open niya.
So, ganun talaga siya, umiiyaw siya. Yun, oh.
Paano sabog?
Patayin mo nga. Tignan natin video mo. Ba't gumaganon lang siya? Ba't mo pala